If you're looking for a way to budget which doesn't involve tracking every time you go out with friends and every little coffee, let me introduce you to the bucket budgeting system. What it does is it makes sure that you put aside enough on payday to cover your bare living expenses, and then you're able to work out from your payroll how much that you have left aside to save and how much you want to allocate yourself for spending and going out guilt-free without tracking that part of your life, because that money should be there for you to enjoy. How this works is you put in your weekly, monthly, and annual expenses. I just get all these numbers once from going through my bank accounts. It then works out the totals and then it divides this total into a weekly cost. So you know exactly how much to put aside each week to cover these expenses when they arise. If you just look at this column here, it's carried over my monthly bills as a weekly expense, my annual bills as a weekly expense, and then it gives me a total each week to put aside to cover for my phone, my groceries, my petrol, my bare living expenses. From there, because I've put in my income as well, it tells me exactly how much I have aside after I've put aside for my bills and expenses, how much is remaining, where I can determine how much I actually want to save, if I want to save at all. And then the rest I know is for me to spend and go out guilt-free without stressing about it. If you get paid fortnightly, you can also use this column here at the bottom, which just multiplies these figures by 2. And again, you just put in how much you want to save, and then it tells you exactly how much you have left over to spend and go out guilt-free. I love this budgeting system. If you're interested, you can find it online at savvysheetsboutique.org. Otherwise, we're a bestseller on Etsy. Try us out.